Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I was just reading about Kelly Clarkson's weight loss journey, and it got me thinking, what are these celebrities doing that we're not? I mean, Kelly's been open about her struggles with weight, but she's also been pretty vocal about the things that have worked for her, and that's what led me to the gelatin trick. Apparently, it's a favorite among some of these celebs, and for good reason. It's ridiculously simple, just involving some unflavored gelatin from your average grocery store. The gelatin trick is all about using this stuff to help your body, get things moving, and wake up without that dreaded bloat. I've been trying it out myself, and I can already notice the difference. My energy levels are way up, and I just feel more, I don't know, light, I guess. The gelatin trick is definitely worth looking into, and if you want to learn more, I've got a link to a really helpful resource in the description below. Check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. I've pinned a question down there to get us started, so head on over and join the conversation.